Hi everyone. The author um, had presented collision damage prevention for vehicles, but this is for fast vehicles. He has few more ideas he wanted to share, so he is making this presentation. So, so collision shock absorption system um, can be designed in a way that the colliding object moves laterally to the direction of the motion of the uh, object. Um, so this is a collision prevention framework, and the colliding object will move perpendicular to the motion of the object on during impact. Uh, and this is a symbolic representation of a vehicle, and this is a symbolic representation of a collision prevention system. This is the direction of motion. Undeployed and deployed apparatus. So this is a railway system, and this has a collision prevention system hidden that is not deployed, and this is the deployed system. When a perceived danger is uh, taken into account and the action is implemented. This is the framework that is deployed. This is the front of the system uh, that is uh, uh, this is the front of the system that is displayed in the top view. So this is the framework, and this is the top view of the framework. Different author presents different possible system frameworks. One is this triangular one, another is another triangular one. This is a dis, displacement damping system that rotates as hinges. Um, how the system works is presented in following slides. So this is a framework, and this slide shows how a framework will possibly deform. So this framework, you might assume is rigid. It need not be rigid. This can deform, compress, and deform, shake, take some shock as it goes through collision. So this is the zoomed version of the deformed system. Framework deformation and impact. This is slide 2. So this is a hybrid system which combines both triangular framework and horizontal framework. So why do we need such a system? Deformed object can fall in many directions. So this is impact system as it takes place. First, object impacts the system, and after at t time t, after t plus delta t, it has a different set of orientations. So the object, this framework moves both ways to prevent object falling uh, towards the vehicle as well as away from the vehicle. So author has presented two more videos that describe how this collision prevention is going to work. Viewers can take a look at it in his channel. Originality. So author has said uh, her here railways are working on collision damage prevention. Author did not see any of the other details presented in this work. So author want to acknowledge Microsoft Corporation, computer hardware makers, automobile and transportation system manufacturers. Um, thank, thanks a lot.